Y'all know people do not read the instructions. Ooh, it's an ice bags. How cool is that? Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nester, and we thank you for visiting us on our Thomas channel, where we do reviews and box opening. Make some comments down below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, and what y'all think we should review. As always, we're going to have a link for these products down in the comments. Click on them links and support us. Welcome, everybody. Yep, it's me, Crystal Real Nester. I know y'all ain't seen me in a long time where I've been at. Y'all know I've been around. Yep, Crystal Real Nester. Anyway, behind the camera is my wonderful husband, James Real Nester. Say hi to the people, hubby. Alrighty. Today, you guys, I am so stoked. Look what I got right here. You know unboxings is a beautiful thing. I got this Free Village ice maker. And y'all might say, now, Crystal, why you got a Free Village ice maker? Because your girl loves ice. So this is a portable ice maker. This is how it came in. So we're going to do an unboxing of this today. So I don't have my own knife, but my hubby let me borrow one of his. So, you know, out on them streets, if y'all, I want to be careful. Okay, this nice little dog. There we go. I want to be careful because I don't want to scratch it up. Super stoked about this right now. All right, so this is what it looked like. We got the cord here. Oh, they taped everything nice and down. Shipping was awesome. I gotta tell you guys, this thing showed up in no time. And here is our instruction manual, portable automatic ice maker. Yes, sir. Y'all see, this is the cord. It was taped down pretty good. There was a handle in here. And as y'all guys can see, this is how it came, all protected. Yeah, they were serious about this. They said, y'all ain't breaking up our stuff on the travel here. Let me see. I gotta get it started out the box. Ooh, fancy. All right. So, as y'all see, that's the box. Like I said, they did very good shipping. Let's turn this little baby around frontward facing. Take that out. Take that off. Woo! Gotta put the sound on that. Let's see if I could do. There we go. So one of the things about this, it got instructions. It says, important. Before plugging in your ice maker, allow it to last 2 hours to stand upright for the refrigerated fluid to settle. Now, to be honest, I had this a couple of days, so it has been sitting like this. We're going to put the handle on here. This is awesome for a couple of reasons. That snapped right in there. Look at that. So now it's ready to carry wherever you need to carry it. Inside, we have, look how they nicely taped it down, ladies and gentlemen. So you know it's going to be delivered to you in the best shape. This is going to be the little tray. It comes with a little scooper here. It's your tray, your scooper. Look inside there. It's telling you, see, I don't know if y'all can see that too good right in there. It's a max line of how much ice it can hold at one time. Let's see what this is. Y'all know people do not read the instructions. Ooh, it's an ice bags. How cool is that? So if you wanted to have like snow cones, you could preset your ice. For those of you doing the winter, summertime who like to make homemade ice cream, you can make your ice. They gave you bags. And there's something else taped down in here. Trying to see what this is. Oh, I think it's just the shelving unit, because it must move around when you plug it up. Sorry, you guys, it's taking a little time here. Oh, they just taped it down because it moves. So if you look in here, I'm going to lean it back a little bit. You can see like the little spouts right there. That is when the water is going to come down, sit down in the ice, and freeze it. So, ladies and gentlemen, y'all have just seen the unboxing. I'm not feeling. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, I didn't mention how sleek and beautiful this the body of this is. It is kind of heavy. And also, this is a mint green color. So if y'all know anything about Crystal Real Nester, green is my color. This is like a mint greenish, kind of bluish color. So right now, I plugged it up for the first time. You see the buttons running because I am putting it on the cleanse cycle because I'm going to start using this right away today. And you got, so you know it's portable. So I carried this from downstairs to upstairs. Like I said, it's a little heavy, but once you set it where you out at the park, you're gonna have your own ice. It's going through its cleaning cycle. That takes about a half an hour. If you look inside, I washed the scooper in the little basket, and we're gonna let this cleaning process go. Then I'm gonna start using it today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so y'all have seen the unboxing of my Free Village portable ice maker. I got a tray. I'm going to put this back in here. Got our little scooper and our bags. Thank y'all so much for the bags. That is cool. I didn't even see that when we got this, you know, in the description. So that's cool to have. And the plan is, we're gonna, as y'all know, it said let it set for 2 hours standing upright. I'm gonna let it set and I'm gonna use this for a couple of days, and then I will be back to do a review for you guys. But in the meantime, y'all know what y'all need to do. Give this video some thumbs up, share it out to your friends and family. Look down in the comments and get that link, because y'all know at the cookouts in the park, y'all gonna need this summer. Get your free range portable ice maker. Peace.